Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix YouTube videos not playing on your Chrome browser. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to play a YouTube video and it keeps crashing, freezing, or keeps crashing your browser. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what essentially ended up working for me is that if you go onto your YouTube and then on your Chrome browser, you want to keep note of which extensions you have activated for your Chrome browser. So what essentially could work is that if you click on this extensions option and then click on manage extensions, you'll see all the different extensions that you have for Chrome. You want to go ahead and toggle on and off the extensions that are related to YouTube. So what actually ended up working for me is that once I turned off TubeBuddy, which is an extension that I had for YouTube for years, once I turned this off, my YouTube ended up working on my Chrome browser. So go ahead and play around with your extensions. If you've already tried reinstalling Chrome, you've tried updating Chrome, you've deleted and reinstalled Chrome, you updated your MacBook and none of that worked. If none of that worked, try this method out where you turn off your extensions one by one. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your YouTube on working with Chrome. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.